My name is Michael Bennett,
My name is Roberto Fernandez.
and this is our podcast discussing Supreme Court cases and how they affect teens in their everyday lives. And the case we'll be talking about today is Ferguson versus the city of Charleston, South Carolina. So to summarize this case, let's lay out the facts. It all started when the Medical University of South Carolina and the city of Charleston decided to formulate a policy to prosecute mothers whose children test positive for drugs at birth. This ultimately would raise a lot of eyes because not only did the policy affect children at birth, it affected teenagers at school who would be drug tested to decide if they should be suspended or the parents should be prosecuted. And around this time, there was a huge increase in cocaine use by patients receiving prenatal care. This is where the term crack babies arose.
The question at hand is, can states, a hospital runs a performance test to obtain evidence of a patient's drug use without the patient's consent of this procedure. The Supreme Court ultimately ruled in a 3-6 decision that it was unconstitutional to unreasonable drug test patients with their consent. Even though cocaine use was at the rise at this time, especially with patients, it is still against the Fourth Amendment to unreasonably search someone without the valid reason. Just because a patient used cocaine in common at this time doesn't make it okay to search them without the consent.
And then why does it matter? It matters because it's against, not only is it against our rights as an American, it's against our rights as a human being. And nobody should unreasonably search someone without any consent, like they shouldn't touch you or nothing like that. And
Also the careers, the futures.
Exactly.
It also benefit a lot of the futures. Like they don't tend to do that usage for their lifetime. It can also benefit them a lot.
Exactly.
In a long time.
And coming from someone who has been laced with DMT before, and coming from someone who has been drug tested before, I feel like it would be wrong to just say, okay, here we go, you got a drug test. It's just, it's unreasonable.
Unreasonable.
And thank you.
Thank you. Appreciate it.